Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to convert an image into a pencil sketch. It's very easy and very simple. I'm going to show you a very simple way. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. So let's begin. Well, I've taken an image right now from freepik.com and the link to that image is in the description below, so you can download and try this tutorial. So first thing is you open the image over here. You can see the actual size is quite big. So I'm just fitting it into a frame. So now what I will do is I'll make a copy of this layer. Either you drag it to the new layer or you can just make a Ctrl J. Now add a adjustment layer of the hue and saturation and drag the saturation to the left to -100. Now select the layer 1, and once you select the layer 1 you change the blend mode. The layer mode, you can make the layer mode to color dodge. Now you invert the layer, Ctrl I. At this given point the image should be white. You may have a little spot over here, but that's okay. It depends on image to image, but mostly all images should become white. So once you do that, you go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now you can set it to whatever you want depending on how you want it to look, and different images the radius will be different. So for this one I'll leave it at around 17. Once you're happy with it, you hit OK. Now you see how it looks. It's got the effect, but it's not yet as an artistic painting pencil sketch. So what we'll do right now is we'll try to add one more layer. Curves, levels. Now I'll drag the slider from the left and increase the darkness a little more. You see, you can increase a lot, but I don't need so much. So I'll just increase it a bit, maybe till here. Once I'm okay with it, I'll just leave it there. You can see. Now still, it has got a grayscale look, but it still doesn't look like a painting, because normally when the artist paint, you have strokes of the pencil, and here there are no strokes. So what we'll do right now is the main layer, the background, and make a copy of it. Once the copy is made, I will drag it on top of layer 1, and as you can see it's come to a grayscale image. Now between background copy and layer 1, I'll keep my mouse and I'll hold the Alt key, and you can see the cursor changes once I drag it in the middle. Now holding the Alt key on the keyboard, I'll click, so the background copy gets clipped into layer 1. Now what I will do is I will go to filter gallery, and under the sketch option, sketch, I will use graphic pen. You can play with the variations here depending on your image. So for me, I'll keep the stroke length at 10 and the light and dark balance at 60, and I've chosen the right diagonal. If you choose anything else, it will change the look. So it's up to you, but I like the right diagonal because I'm a righty. So make sure over here there's only one filter, graphic pen. Once you're happy with it, hit an OK. Now you see it's getting that effect. Now what you can do is, if it's too dark, just the opacity of this layer, you change the opacity to whatever you like. Maybe I'll take 20. 20 is to say 20. So I'm happy with this. So there you go. Now you can see the image. It's that easy. So please do try this out at home, and if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer it. And you can still play around with whatever you like and try different variations of the graphic pen, and you shall get your desired output. So thank you once again for watching this video, and please do subscribe for further updates. Thank you and take care.